School after name D.Шопоков. 7th form, the fourth quarter. Teacher Аденова Гульдана Нурмаматовна. Objectives of the lesson. A. To introduce with vocabulary and new theme. B. To develop skills reading, listening and writing. C. To bring up love and interest to the subject and to respect each other. Extracurricular lesson. Health and body care. Good morning, my dear guest spectators. Welcome to our telecast Malachov Plus. This is Elena Proklova and my name is Julia. Gennady Malachov asked me to lead this program because he couldn't come. He is ill. Today is the 20th of April. The day begins at 7 o'clock and over at 7:30. We must do morning exercise to get strong our health. You must move every day. We must drink natural juices such as orange juice, apple juice, tomato juice, tea with lemon and so on. And today our new theme is health and body care. I have two groups. The first group is fruits and the second group is vegetables. Please come, leader of the groups. They have interesting things. Okay, students, we have guests. They come in telecast Malachov Plus. We have guests. One of the guests is Anna Snatkina. She is an actress. Please come, Anna. Anna Snatkina. Good morning, everybody. Julia, please take a seat. Please tell us about plantain which helps you. Anna Snatkina. I have a stomachache. One of my friends said that plantain is useful for stomach. Julia, please show us how do you do it. Anna Snatkina. Yes, I take plantain and entrap it through a meat cutter. Plantain juice is useful for your stomach. Julia. Yes, plantain is useful for our health. We have such proverb, and plantain a day keeps doctor away. Thank you for your information. Take a seat, please. Okay, Gennady Malachov, please. Because he couldn't come, because he was ill. Okay, I have new words. Eye, back, stomach, kidneys, liver, heart, ear, head. Now to learn by heart, okay? Julia, I have card. I will give card. You make up sentence with new words. Glasses are useful for example, for my eyes. Fastenagel is useful for your back. Julia. Okay, students, our new theme is infinitive. Let's write it in my back. What's the matter to you? What's up? I am not well. I have backache. Fastenagel is useful for your back. Окей, ребят, мы должны вспоминать пословицы. The greatest wealth is health. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Good health is above wealth. Happiness is nothing more than good health and a bad memory. Okay, let's start our telecast. Julia, the next our guest is Oleg Gazmanov. He is a singer. Please, Oleg, come. Oleg Gazmanov. Good morning, my dear guests. Julia, take a seat. Please tell us about nuts, which helps you. Oleg Gazmanov. I have my brother. He has cough cold. One my friends said the nuts are useful for your cough cold. We must eat 4 nuts in a day. Julia, please show us how do you do it. Oleg Gazmanov. I have nuts and honey. I'll take nuts and divide into parts and thresh the nuts. I'll mix nuts with honey. Taste it, please. We have game is spite code. I have cards and I'll give you cards. You must find code in the alphabet. Okay? Do you understand, students? Okay. Complete the sentence. If you have a cold, you should drink herbal tea, drink hot milk, have medical checks, stay in bed, take some vitamin, eat garlic, keep warm. Okay, students, you must find health code. You should and you shouldn't. Get up early and go to bed early. Wash your hands before eating. Smoke. Watch TV too long. Going for sports. Clean your teeth once a day. Sleep enough. Take a cool shower. Eat too much sweets. Spend much time indoors. Eat between meals. Okay, let's start our telecast. Julia. The next our guest is Vera Brezhneva. Vera Brezhneva. Good morning, everybody. Julia, take a seat. Please tell us about apples, which helps you. Vera Brezhneva. I have a little child. He was not tall. He was weak because he lacked in vitamins. And my granny said that we must eat 2 apples with carrots in a day. Julia, please show us how do you eat. Vera Brezhneva. I have 2 apples and I'll divide into parts, and I have carrots. And I'll mix apple with carrots. Pure is ready. Maybe you all taste it. Julia. Yes, apple is useful for our health. We have such proverb. An apple a day keeps doctor away. Okay, students, look. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. We take care of our health. People always take care of their health. Somebody is on a diet. Somebody goes in for sports. It's very good. But sometimes everybody gets ill. Then we go to a hospital or a polyclinic. Okay, students, I have questions. And you answer the questions. Health and body care. The first question. Do you think it's important to see the doctor regularly? Second question. What do you usually do when you fall ill? Third question. What do you and your family to do be in good health? Good health habits. Eating low-fat food. Okay, match the words with their meanings. Okay, students, do you understand these words? Okay, you must find meanings. Keep fit, to feel bad, to keep to a diet, to take blood pressure, to examine a patient, good for heart, regular exercises, rich in vitamins, to take temperature. Okay, to take temperature – измерять температуру, да? Rich in vitamins – это что такое? Богатый витаминами. Regular exercise, регулярные упражнения. Good for heart, полезно для сердца и так далее. You must find their meanings. The greatest wealth is health. Okay, healthy lifestyle. Eating fruits and vegetables, yes, of course. Doing morning exercises, keeping off a daily regime, walking, healthy sleep. No smoking, no drinking alcohol, no mobile phones, no working on a computer watching TV. Health and body care. Okay, students, look at the picture. Parents and children are running, okay? Take care of your body. It's the only place you don't have to live in. Our homework to learn by heart the new words. Who win at this telecast? The first group is fruits, I'll give you 4. The second group is vegetables, I'll give you 5. Goodbye, see you tomorrow.